In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start page numbers from a specific page in Google Docs. This is a useful skill, especially if you're working on a lengthy document like a report or a thesis, and you want to maintain a clean and professional look by only numbering the meaningful sections. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open your Google Docs document. If you haven't already, head over to your Google Drive, locate your document, and double-click it to open. Once you're in, navigate to the page where you would like the page numbers to begin. Let's say your document has a title page or a table of contents at the start, and you'd like the page numbering to begin only from the introduction or chapter 1. This is where you should be now. Next, you need to position your cursor at the very end of the page, just before the one where you want the numbering to start. This is important because we will be inserting a section break, which segments your document, allowing different sections to be formatted independently. To insert a section break, go to the menu at the top and click on Insert. From the drop-down, hover over Break and then select Section Break, Next Page. This action creates a boundary between the pages, setting up the new section where your page numbers will commence. Now that you have created a section break, it's time to add the page numbers. Go back to the Insert menu, hover over Page Numbers, and select the option that best suits your layout preference. Typically, users prefer placing numbers in the header. Once you click, the page numbers will automatically be generated starting from the section you designated. However, by default, Google Docs might begin numbering your new section with a number that doesn't quite match your intention, for instance, starting from 1. To correct this, double-click on the header where the number appears. This will open the header editing menu where you can click on Options in the small panel that shows up. Here, select Page Numbers to open a dialog box. Within this box, you will find the option to set a starting number for your section. Enter the desired number and click Apply. And there you have it, a smoothly numbered document starting from your specified page. As a quick tip, if you ever need to remove or change these numbers, you can revisit the header or footer section and make your alterations. Thank you for following along with this guide. Now you can present your Google Docs document with correctly placed page numbers, aligning with your professional or academic requirements. Hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Google Docs efficiently.